silver SUV pulled out and hit two vehicles. Luckily, this cyclist was there to record the whole situation.
I got it on film. I got it on film. Want me to stay? Okay, okay. Good job, buddy. You might as well just hit cars, man. Like, seriously. Oh.
I only had it here painted 1 week ago. It's all one side.
A whole week?
A week ago.
Wow.
You didn't see I come in here, buddy?
But I got it all on film, man. Like, dude, man, you could have just took your time. Like, a couple of seconds wouldn't hurt.
Me come in and I saw a car there.
No, I know, I saw him. I was coming up. Dude, man, seriously, man, like, you gotta be careful when you're driving, man.
You don't fucking see? You don't fucking license to drive?
And only 1 week ago, you know, I had this one side. I live wrong the street from here. A taxi guy hit me right on this one side. $3,000.
Fucking ridiculous, eh?
You have a license to drive? So, you didn't see the fuck he has right over there, the fuck in the car now?
Didn't he get the other guy too?
You didn't see the
Yeah.
Actually, hits me by the side. That was the only reason I hit you. I didn't hit you.
No, man, you bolted out because I seen you. I was watching you. And now you just hit these fucking people, dude. Like, you bolted out fast, man, and you shouldn't have did that. You good?
Yeah.
You good? Okay. I got it on film. I hope I'm recording. You good? You good? You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Okay.
Dashcams aren't just for accidents, they are also for funny situations like this.
Can we go? What the Jesus Christ!
Oh my god!
Kirk, your dumbass car. Can we get that?
Dash cam, yes.
It's some old lady.
Yeah, one car. Oh my god. That's the wreck. That's the wreck. Oh, it didn't happen.
The driver of the grey vehicle came to the blind spot of the truck and almost got into accident.
Camry, like, I'm in the 3rd lane out of 5 lanes. There's a... This guy's gonna... I got this all on dash cam right now.
What's wrong with you?
Come here.
Why? Why?
Check out this bad driver. He made several mistakes.
Fuck's sake. You right there? Dip. Oh. No indicating either? Cool. Gonna add you lots to the dash cam.
No wheel? No problem for this driver. No wonder why his mirror is smashed.
Move!
Let's check out some close calls that drivers recorded while commuting on the road.
Wow.
What is going on?
A secured load is always danger on the road. So, if you're gonna drive something in your trailer, make sure it's properly strapped. What do you think? Why this driver got pulled over? I wanna see your opinions. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.